Hi guys, this is extension of previous mysnowsight example where I have added another one feature, upload file. So these are all things you guys refer from previous video, but I tell you in briefly, just need to pass all these parameters and you can execute queries parallelly. So this feature where you can upload the XLS file and that will be loaded to Snowflake directly. So if you notice, right, usually it is 200 MB by default. So I have configured or added one more feature. We just need to add .streamlit file and there is configuration file, and if we add this parameter, right, we can change it the 200 MB to a maximum up to 4 GB is possible. After 4 GB there is a bug has been raised. So so what we'll do, we'll load the Excel file to this table. So as of now you see there's no data in this table. So what I have did is I have created a data set, like the columns are A to Z and around 1000 rows are there, sorry, 10,000 rows are there. I'll be loading this data to load XLS using this method. So what I'll do, I'll just upload this data copy file, and this is around, I think, 4 MB only. So this is around 4 or 5 MB. Yeah, 4.6 MB. So which will be get loaded here, and the data frame will be displayed. So if you see, right, data frame will be displayed and connection to Snowflake is successful. Then what? We just need to pass the table name. Actually, this table is not available now. I was just trying before, and let's make sure this table is not there. So I just uh, given the table name and save to Snowflake. What will happen? Table also will be get created and data will be loaded. So within a, like, not even a second, I think. So first data will be loaded here, and you can see data set. Yeah. Interestingly, I don't see the insert statement. So yeah, that's the thing. Thank you very much.